In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some old Matchbox Superkings toy cars from the 1980s. I've just got these delivered in the post, so let's go ahead and open them up. Well wrapped up. Jacket case. Interesting. Do not eat. A gentleman I know on one of my car forums who I have purchased quite a lot of model cars from. He's in Northern Ireland, and there's always little humorous messages he leaves around about the packages, which is always a lot of fun. I always enjoy that. So these models were ones I remember well from my childhood. One of them I did have, and the other one a friend had, and I always longed for it. Never got it. There we go. I always these little notes for me as well. Hope you enjoy and look forward to more videos. It says, oh, there's certain. Here's one here. And what is? Oh, I thought that was something in that. Right, these are just. It actually looks like he's put something else in here as well. Okay. Oh wow, look at this. He's put. Oh, that's good. He has put in with his package 2021 calendar, 12 classic cars of the 70s and 80s. Now look at these. So what have we got? A Beetle 5 GT Turbo, Fiat 125, a Metro, Victor, Fiat Strada, Golf GTI, Allegro, Peugeot 205 GTI, Sierra XR4i, a Mini, and oh no, that is an that's an Alfa Romeo of some kind. And I did see a YouTube video of one of them recently. I can't remember. It's not an Alpha 6, it's not an Alfetta either. Let's have a look. I'm interested in that one actually. That's the Beetle. It is. That's it. An Alfa Romeo 90. That's cool. I wouldn't mind a model of one of those. That is absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much for that. Now, back to the cars. So the first one, let's open it up. Well wrapped. Very careful. You can probably tell what it is. It is a Jaguar Xj6. Now, I actually do have this one in white, but on opening this up, it looks so much nicer in this colour. This is one of the new range of Superkings that came out in the mid-80s. And I remember this car was an E-registration, and I got it, I think, when E-registration was still the current registration marks. That would be 87 or 88. Copyright 1988, there it is there. Matchbox International. So it's got the opening features, bonnet and doors. It's got a really nice illustration of the car as well. That's really nice. This box is in remarkable condition. Really lovely. Okay, let's open up the box. There we go. Wow, look at this. I think this is the first time this has been out of the box, because it's pretty sticky. Oh, silly. There we go. Wow, look at that. Turn that light off now, so we can see it a bit better. E51PFW. Look at that. That is lovely. It's got it's got opening doors, and it's also got an opening bonnet. Oh, and there's this some basic engine detail. What does it say underneath? 1987. Oh, it says 1987 under there. Jaguar Xj6, made in Macau. Isn't that lovely? Very pleased that I remember how excited I was to get this as a boy. So it's really nice to have it again. Let's move on to the next one. And here's the next one. This was the one that I didn't have as a kid. My friend had it, and I longed for it. I think one of my mum and dad's neighbours actually had a real one of these. Again, all the more reason to want a model one as a child. I'd have been quite young. I'd have been only about 7 or 8. It is a BMW 7 Series. Box not quite as good condition, but for what I paid for it, more than happy. Now, I'm not sure what you call this series. Is it it's not E28, is it? Might be. Someone will correct me. But it's the 80s 7 Series. And again, illustration of the car. The model's actually not the best shape. The Schkaback ones I've got are more accurate, but they would have been about 6 times the price. And the back, again, doors and bonnet. Copyright 1990. Matchbox International Limited. This one's a bit newer. What does it say underneath? Just legal stuff, isn't it? Yeah, nothing interesting. Yeah, another illustration there, really nice. I just had to cut away there. I want to be very, very careful opening this, because if you pull too hard, well, it rips there. That was not me, but yeah, you can see that's what happens. Matchbox Toys, Burley House, Enfield, Middlesex, England. Long after they were made there. Yeah, so this is a 750 IL, so it's the top of the range engine, a V8, and it'll be a long wheelbase, although I can't really tell from the model whether it is or not. Here we go. Right, here we go, out the box. I've undone the little key at the bottom. Now, it's funny. It seems a little bit, the whole model seems just a little bit warped. It's weird. Now, I did know about the bonnet not fitting, which is fine. You can see the BMW engine in there. Basic detail there nevertheless. But the whole model seems just a little bit warped. It's not got zinc paste because it's not falling apart and it's not cracked. I don't know, it's really weird. Anyway, nice model this. Nice colour. 750 IL. These were the new wheels that Matchbox Superkings put on them in the 80s as well, which look kind of like alloys, I think. Opening doors. Nice BMW front grille there. And nice rear light lenses. And underneath, Superkings 1988, even though it says 1990 in the box. Because I remember it earlier than 1990. BMW 750 IL, made in China. I absolutely loved this one as a kid. I always wanted it. I'm really glad to have it now. Takes me right back. I almost like this more than the Jaguar, because I had the Jaguar and I swapped it away, whereas I never had this. Good suspension on them as well, quite soft. It'll absorb the bumps in your carpet. I've got more of these in my collection. If anyone wants to see any more, let me know in the comments. Cheers.